Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a solution to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin? OTESALY Skin Booster is your secret weapon. OTESALY Skin Booster packed with powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and antioxidants. OTESALY penetrates deep into your skin, delivering intense hydration and nourishment. Our clients have been seeing incredible transformations, smoother, firmer, and more hydrated skin in just a few weeks. OTESALY Skin Booster is administered using a metal gun, syringe, thermal pen, or metal roller to deliver the formula directly into the skin, ensuring optimal absorption and effectiveness. Most clients start noticing invincible improvements within just a few days after treatment, with optimal results seen around 2 to 4 weeks. For even more noticeable results, we recommend mixing OTESALY Skin Booster with OTESALY PDRN, OTESALY Collagen Lift, or OTESALY WPDRN. Unlock your skin potential with OTESALY Skin Booster. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a radiant complexion. Visit our website to follow us on social media to learn more and start your journey to beautiful skin today.